everything. It's a beautiful sight, ladies and gentlemen. It's a beautiful sight here at Zangatong Pier. Man, look at the difference. We love it, we love it. Once again, we want to say thanks to all our donors. Thanks to all the funds, people that raised funds. Thanks to Rosita Alvarez. There go playing from Hopkins out from Hopkins Village from the sister. Today, look at it. What a wonderful job being done today. Yes, we almost reached our target, but hey, we did this and did nothing. So we decided to do something for our community. Everybody that helped, it's not only me. Alright, it's the whole entire community of Dangriga came out today. So, and the kids are back swimming, which is good. We still have a little bit left. I will show you. Just a little bit left here. So I will show you a couple of views. But we still have a ways to go. But then it's a far cry from when we came out here this morning at 5 a.m. Okay, so we still have a ways to go. You know, but thanks again. See, this area that we haven't fixed yet. Right, the kids are back swimming here up here, which is nice. The kids are back swimming up on the Zangatong Pier, which is a beautiful sight to see. They came up running off the pier, and man, it brings joy to our eyes out here in Griga. We're back on the town pier. The town pier is almost back, ladies and gentlemen. Thank God now. All our fishermen and fisher folks that come and, man, it's an honor to do such things, such magnitude. Alright, we patched it up, brought some new lumber, and we have some guys out there working it out. The kids, children are out there doing their thing. It's a beautiful thing. Thank you very much, Griga, for coming out today. It's a wonderful, wonderful time. Thank you, Miss Rosita Alvarez. Thank you. Man, I can't remember everybody, man. But we're signing off here for today, Sunday, in beautiful culture capital. We didn't finish, but we started. And yes, we will be out here another time. You know, it's a lot of work. Please, man, thanks for coming out, man.
Yes, man. You don't know my side. Always there. Whenever you call, we are show up. We got to help, we got to strength. We can put it to use while we can. It could be like some of the people there before they lock off some of their own gifts because they don't want to share what we were sent here to share.
Yeah, that's a lot. A little bit of work, but it's been a lot of meetings from Plain College, man. Man, it was a pleasure working today. And we have a little bit more to go. Right? We got a little bit more to go, but look. It was well orchestrated, well done. For all the people that came out, man. Auntie Maggie, her kids came out today. The Diego family came out today. Shalimar came out today. A lot of people came out today, man. Eric Castillo came out today. We are still here, fighting it. Looking good. Thanks to all the donors, I can't say. And this wasn't me. Alright, that's not only me do it. It's not about me, but the people of Dangriga. We love to see this happen. We have a man we go sit down now. Here now, this is Dangriga, believe it or not, ladies and gentlemen, this is Dangriga Dangriga. And wow, this is amazing. It's an amazing feeling. It's amazing to see out there all day now and just wow. All the hard work paying off here. We came here to restore the pier. We did what we can. safer. All the fisher folks that come out here, the Rati people, the Rati Association of Zangriga. And look at the children are back swimming. They came and ran off the pier. Wonderful, wonderful experience today. We didn't reach our goal, but we had to do what we had to do to make the pier much safer than it was before. And thanks to all the people of Zangriga once again, man. Hey, Baba Carlos came out, Glenn Lewis came out today, the Sego family came out today. Man, some of the kids, they're really, really happy. They love this. Man, they can run on the pier now. They don't have to look. But majority of the pier, the children, they can run up the pier. They don't have to like look down on the ground. They can be confident. Now you have children coming on the pier, jumping off the pier, having a good time, and then hope we have the people will come out here and fish later on for Rati, right? So, oh man, this is so wonderful. It's a wonderful experience, man. Look at that, look at that. Yeah. Man, this is lovely. The children they could run on the pier. They're having a good time on the pier. Yeah. You know, we'll have naysayers, but don't worry about the naysayers. We could do this, prove that we could do stuff for ourselves. We don't have to depend on nobody, but we could depend on ourselves as Belizeans to do things, because we are the ones who use this there. So we are the ones that have to fix. We don't care about anything but ourselves. We gotta care about ourselves first before we care about anything. We have a little bit ways to go. It's looking neat. We just need some more lumber, right? Lumber, this is very expensive lumber. These are treated lumber. Why? It feels good, man.
Look nice,
Look nice, Joe. How you feel for work this morning? Thanks again for coming out, man.
Appreciate it.
Yeah, man. Why? This thing look beautiful, man. I could tell everybody gonna catch a lot more rat, a lot more shade there. Right? Even wow. Unbelievable. Unbelievable. The kids could, man, this feels so good. The kids could come out here, they could run on the pier now. You could see them running, playing, running on the pier. Feel so good, they feel confident. They can't, this is so, my goodness. Yeah. The thing is, what we did, we before you could see it, like they had a lot of spacing in the pier. We have a little way to go, right? They have a lot of spacing in the pier, but what we did, we closed the space so you could ride your bike up here, you could walk up here, no vehicles, of course, but it's safe to run on the pier now. It's safe to have a good time on the pier now. It's safe to celebrate the pier. Thanks to Briga, thanks to all, Paul Maximo. Look, I will post the list. Thanks to Lucky Star Entertainment. Thanks to Ugoro Band, Sabot Cayetano, Desiree Moreira, Linda Tasha and her family, Hilton Rodriguez and their family, Aaron Anderson, boy, big up yourself, man. You came up big time for us. Aaron Anderson, thank you very much, man. I can't get last words, but hey, it's amazing. The generator is still run. People are still out here. Wow. Unbelievable. Unbelievable. Yeah. Unbelievable. Riga. Look at the pier. Look at the pier, Griga. This is our pier. This is our pier, Griga. Thank you very much. Also, Robert Mariano. Thank you very much to Mr. Mariano. And he's a citizen. He's a citizen of this town. And he said, look, we're going to help our town no matter what. And this is what he did. Right? We're almost done. It's not complete. He said it's not complete. There is the balance of the pier right there. Still have that right there. But look, it only takes lumber, screws, and we're good. Lumber and screws, and we're good. That's all it takes. Lumber and screws, and we are good. Okay, so for those people that want to help fix the pier, this is what we need. Lumber. Again, thank you to Shelly Mariano. You did an awesome job. Yeah. All right, we got areas that need to be fixed. Don't worry about the area. We got areas that needs to be fixed. All right, right here, this area right here, right, needs to be fixed. Right, needs to be fixed. And some people said they were going to purchase the lumber. They didn't, but we cannot wait for everybody. We're not on the same page, but we hope that one day we will all be on the same page. Carla, we're going at the same. We're going at the ground, right? Well, because some people burn up themselves too and make their burn there. But again, man, this is good. Ratty, what bite now? Ratty will bite now. Ratty will bite now. And we cannot, again, ladies and gentlemen, we cannot leave this up to our politicians. We are our politicians. We the Grigalesian politicians. We don't worry about the politicians. They have their own agenda, you know, and we support our politicians. UDP, PUP, NIP, CIP, Independent. We support everybody because we love in Griga. But we can't say we have love and we're not to show the love. We got to show our people the love. And Blaine, I want to ask you one thing, man.
Yes, Mr. Adai.
What do you feel today about being a part of this action today, Griga, man?
For me, being here is fulfilling. I jumped on my bike yesterday evening from Hopkins and I come to Griga without a purpose. I was just directed. This morning, walking along the beach and seeing you guys out here, I understood why I was sent here. And it was, like I said, fulfilling to be a part of something that is being moved by the people, for the people. Right? More efforts like this and the changes that we have always desired will come to fruition. So, Mr. Adai, continue to take charge and lead in the way.
Boy, look at the young boy just jump off of the pier just now. We like to see that. That's what they need. They come off of the PlayStation game there.
I will tell you at least secret, right? When I'm small and my uncle in a coast guard, the man look for a tire soon, but I drop the man gold chain right top of the head of this pier. I never know nothing about salt water. The man send me behind the gold chain to find it. When I don't drink about half of the sea, the man pull me out and pump my chest.
You find it in there.
Like he can find it, but I drink enough of the bigger salt water.
Yes, again, ladies and gentlemen, for you to donate, Zelle, you could Zelle it. I put my Zelle information in there. You could Zelle it, and then, or you could Zelle it directly to the store as well. And we're dealing with Hummingbird distributors and also now Family City store. Those two stores is where we're getting our lumbers from. So if you wanna donate, just send it to them and they'll let me put the Zelle information in there. Alright. Yeah, I already put my Zelle information in there, ladies and gentlemen. You know, and also Family City and Hummingbird distributors as well. You could deposit in there so we could also get the balance of the Wood required. Hey, save a food for me now. I don't eat yet. No? Save one for me. I don't eat yet. Yeah, I don't eat it. They give out the food right now. I don't eat it. Alright. They look for share me out, ladies and gentlemen. Look, they look for share me out. Me, they look for share out and I eat it. Come on. Alright, look there.
A big bonfire up on the dock.
Yeah. This look good. See you go. How you feel for work out here today, man? I don't know like about camera, man, but how you feel for your family and how you feel?
Well, I feel good because then I want to give back to the community because as me growing up as a young boy, this was one of my spot for swim and so for me that blessing to give back to my community.
Yeah, man. Thanks, you go, man. Man, awesome job, man. Look at it, man. Look at it. The thing straight though. The line straight, ladies and gentlemen. Look at it. Look at the line. Wow. Wow. Look, let me say something. We could have finished this pier in a one day because we had over like almost 100 and odd people out there this morning. And then we ran out of what we ordered the lumber, or we ran out of lumber. You know, but hey, it is what it is. What we did, we didn't want to use the same spacing. So I don't tell them already. I don't tell the people that people could run, these kids could run on the pier right now. I didn't want to. See, if you look, there's hardly any spacing on here, right? So that's why we need twice as much as what we anticipated. Because look, if you look here, the spacing big. The spacing big, right? For the one we're gonna finish it. So what we did, yeah. Thank you very much, Tonto, man. What we did, we closed up the space for the pier. See? We closed up the space for the pier. It was looking so good. I said, you know what? Maybe we could go back to our people and ask them, can we close the space up? And for the rest of the pier, it's still spaced out big. We wanted to do a good job. We had a lot of engineers out here with us this morning. And right now, I don't even know what time right now. Cannot eat it. I'm looking for my food just now. But once again, ladies and gentlemen, Griga, Belize, USA, everywhere. Woo-wee. We're looking good. We're looking good. After this, I believe that I catch 10 in on it. 10 in on it, or 5 in on it, whatever. The kids could run on the town pier now. Town pier is a whole new. Woo. Thanks to this about Rosella, BTIA, who else? Bonefish, Jude Belize Foundation for bringing up the food this morning and all the snacks and stuff. Chalamar, Eric Castillo. I also want to thank Ray Jean Lawrence for coming up this morning as well. I want to thank Fat Sam Antimagig's son, his brothers, his cousins, Crystal and they come up this morning. Thanks to everybody. Yeah, I want to say thanks to, let me see, man, this list is big. This list is big. I'll post it out better, but those people that I remember, there's a list of people and it says, you know what I mean, how much, how much piece of lumber they donated, you know. So right now, it's a celebration of work. We call it a celebration of work. Right? It's a this is a celebration of work, man, boy. I like that picnic will run and then I have to buck up.
Yeah, that's a good thing.
Yeah, I have to run for the piano, boy. Woo. Yeah, man, sis, a piece of lumber is $31.50. So each one of these lumber is $31.50. We got two type of lumber. We got the one that the lumber that one for the beam, those are $60, twice as much. Yeah, let me say like $60. So we got two. The big lumber is $60. The shorter lumber is $30. So the more we get, the better. It's looking good. They're treated lumber, so they're gonna last a long while. We screw them down, and even with that, man. Yeah, we're live, ladies and gentlemen. This is a celebration of work. We did it.
Yeah.
Idale pasam na lego e ba.
Buito na sa amin ang gunong gagawin because we fix up the pier, we come together and we enjoy to do it.
Yeah, man, it's a beautiful feeling. Yeah. And to tell the people when they promote that we are catching more ratting now. Even the ratting, they happy?
Oh yeah, I see they done the sound float up already.
Yeah, man. Yeah, you work with us today, making this feel good. Man. Wow. Dan Galeno, thank you very much for your support, man. Dan Galeno, you came out big for us, for the people of Riga. You came out big, Dan, and the Galeno family. Bonjour, the loudest song in the world. We love you. Man. Also, Baba, Dan can't meet you again. You make no. Beat La Sandero. This is culture capital. 1, 2, 3, and we're out. 1, 2, 3, and we're out. We're out. Thank God we finished, boy. We do what we could. Yeah. We gotta go, ladies and gentlemen. Thank you very much. Ayo.
Pacific.
Yeah, boy. Man. We gotta go, ladies and gentlemen. Boys, why you for you, man? It's like a long day. They have for 4:30 this morning. How you feeling?
Yeah. I feel good, man. I mean, positive things. When I could do positive things, it give you positive energy too. And extra energy. So, you know, I ready for go again. If we could get some more lumber, the lumber I need you.
The lumber we need.
Okay, if we could get some more lumber, I want to continue the next 2-3 hours. So
yeah.
I feel really good. And, you know, this is really a positive initiative, man. I mean, and this is about we. This I don't know about the big people, the rich people, or so this alone, you know, the small people, the members of the community, Dangriga, you know, and I guess people from the States and wherever, you know, family, friends. So I really feel proud of this. This is something where I can remember 2006, 2007, you know, assessment done, Ministry of Works, this, that, and nothing happened, unfortunately. I know they beat down for nobody, but it not happened. And then we're at 2025, where like 19 years ago or more, and it get done. And all because people like you, DYFA, Charlie Marr, and whoever push the initiative, and the people who choose to give. Where I know that we have a lot of givers out there. And like I said this morning, right, this will motivate people for making them just give, because people like the positive thing and people like contribute to positive things. So I hope, and I want to do this again next week. So hopefully we get some materials, man, and Thanks again.
Yeah, thanks again to the viewers. Thank what Michelle say, oh, love your Uncle Mo. She's on the line right now. She love Uncle Mo's, but
Enough
these
love
guys
coming,
they get ready to go to they're ready to go to the big islands.
That's enough.
Yeah. But again, man, look how this look. Look how this look, right? Look how this look, ladies and gentlemen. All we need is more lumber. And you see where the money they go. The money goes straight on the lumber. The lumber is very, very expensive, which is $30 for one lumber, you know. Treating lumber, things hard right now. Right? So we fix our pier. It's our pier. Alright? It's our pier. This stuff we. Right? Either way, I don't know if we say WAF pier little Garifuna, but we'll not. But they come to me later. But we fix we pier. History was made. History was made here by the people of Dangriga. I love my people. Got my people. Lot of love in Dangriga. Can't go nowhere else. This is our home. This is where we stay. This is where we lay our head. All the people. Thank you very much. Thank you, Miss Flores, Irene Flores. Man, a lot of people that came in this morning, drop off some water, drop off food. Ella Kanarki, thank you very much. Rosella Zabale, thank you very much. Right? Basilo, thank you very much. Ayo.